Hi guys, my name is Heidi Tossin. I will be your English instructor for this semester. I wanted to take the opportunity to welcome you to class and to introduce myself. I have been teaching English and French for the past 18 years in France, Boston at a local high school, and here at VU for the past 8 years. I have loved every minute of it, so I'm happy to welcome you to the Vincennes University family. When I am not in class, I enjoy cooking, Pinteresting if that's a thing, exercising, and spending time with my friends and family and puppies. I also enjoy embarrassing my daughters from time to time. You really don't have much that you need to do before class. I've included a link on how to log on to Blackboard that will get you familiar with the course, but I'll explain everything when I see you in class. I know it's a strange time, but we'll get through it together, and I'm here to help you in any way I can. I look forward to working with you this semester and meeting you in class. See you soon.